Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, just want to talk to you about new set of 3 blue hard shell luggage suitcases. This suitcase is crafted with sturdy and impact resistant ABS plastic, zip compartment and straps with built-in combinations lock, sturdy telescopic handles with double row spinner wheels. This will help you to enjoy traveling and carrying all your essential safeties. Set of 3 blue hard shell luggage suitcase is crafted to cater to various travel needs, providing a comprehensive solution for different trips, lengths, and packing requirements. This set comprises 3 versatile sizes, ensuring you have the right suitcase for different travel durations and requirements. The set includes a 28 inches large suitcase, a 24 inches medium size suitcase, and 20 inches small size suitcase that offers enough space for clothes and essentials. This set is crafted with sturdy, lightweight, and impact-resistant ABS plastic for extra durability. The outer shell is designed to be protective, providing enhanced protection for your belongings during travel. The outer shell has a beautiful scratch and scuff resistant surface, which is ideal for all types of traveling purposes. The interior features a polyester fabric inner lining with a zip compartment and straps to keep your belongings secure. This helps in protecting your clothes and other items from scratches and abrasion. These suitcases also features built-in lock with 3 combination numbers and double row spinner wheels with 360 degrees movement. The spinner wheels and robust telescopic handles make it easy for navigation through airports and travel spaces. We're going to unbox this, check it out, and see what is inside. You can see what it looks like. So this is the handle. This is the second one. The last but not the least. So this one is for the men suitcase. Shell. Just gonna put this on the floor. So this goes in. Press this and this in. So you can remove it by pressing this button here to remove it. Easy. So just press and put the wheels. So this is what we got here. Brilliant stuff. Beautiful. See what? Very solid. I like the wheel. You can extend the handle. So this is the unboxing and overview. You can lock this with the lock. So the way to operate this. So pull it outwards. Then you put the zip. Okay. So then you put the number. So this is the zip. Just pull it out. Then put it. Then use the code to lock it. And yeah, very much happy with it. This is Neo Suitcases. Thank you.